Hi, this is the humble MVP, coming to you from London. Home of the Underground, black cabs, red buses, and Lime bikes. Oh, but most importantly, it's home of the 2025 Global XL Summit. Let's go guys, the Global XL Summit, here we go, let's go, woo!
Can we just give a massive round of applause to the Dayton team for putting this together? What an incredible event.
Much closer than I was. Yeah.
Ken Puls, 18 times MVP. I have to ask you, what's it like to be in the presence of the humble MVP?
Oh, Giles.
Oh no, she looks better than I do. Right, so we're going to do like a back-to-back as if we're about to face off and like shoot each other and do 10 paces.
Oh my god, you know, I've taken on shooting as my hobby.
Oh,
I
really?
do that, yeah. Oh my god, I got it! Okay, you did well.
Thank
You
you.
did well, you tried.
Thanks, Layla. It's been an amazing event, and there's just one thing left to do. Go back to the humble abode where my friends await. Let me show you a few things I love about my humble abode.
Oh.
Yeah, no, we do have a party.
Small blue thing.
This is my boudoir. Naked woman on the wall. This is where I get my hair and makeup done. I can't tell you what goes on there. So thank you for joining me for the Global XL Summit 2025. Now it's time for me to get away.